Hello YouTube, this is Cav Trooper Munoz coming to you from the secret underground bunker location, and today we have an unboxing. Recently I've been watching a lot of World War II videos, particularly watching the Eastern Front, and found it very interesting how innovative the Russians were in creating weapons for the troops to use in the face of the advancing Germans. I mean, these things were being made in the factory and then taken out on the next street over and being test fired at German troops. So one of these weapons was the PPS-43, and I just so happened to pick one of these gems up. Now this is obviously not the Russian version because there are very few of those around, and they command a premium. They also fire from the open bolt position. They're fully automatic. So we do have the next best thing. This is the PPS-43C. It's a Polish parts kit made into a perfectly legal semi-automatic rifle, or pistol actually. Because of the length of the barrel, it has to be made into a pistol, and they take the folding stock and weld it into place, so you can't turn it into an SBR, because you know having an SBR is bad. BATFE is would get their panties in a twist if you actually had a shoulder stock to unfold on this thing and make it into what they call an SBR, short-barreled rifle. Why a short-barreled rifle is any different than a regular rifle, I have no idea. That's one you'll have to ask the BATFE. The Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives is actually a government agency and not a convenience store. So here we got the actual pistol itself, and it came with 2 magazines, and looks like the cleaning kit, and a lot of Cosmoline on the oiler bottle. So let's take this out so you can get a better look. And I think Iraqi veteran 8888 had one of these and shot it, and it was really a pretty fun little gun. Looked like do some good plinking with that. So I'm going to get it all cleaned up here and take it out to the range and see what kind of fun I can have. This particular one is in the 7.62 by, I believe it's 2.5 Tokarev cartridge, which is the original cartridge that these were made for. They also have these in 9mm variants, and this one was put together by IO Incorporated, which is a big importer of these. So the magazine goes like that. So it's got a really nice look to it, and hopefully it's a lot of fun to shoot. And that's today's unboxing of the PPS-43C Polish model. Should be a lot of fun.